Hello, my loves. Welcome again to another video. Today we are making salad. I hope you enjoy and you also made the same salad with my recipe. So let's get started. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use. You also need a bowl, a large bowl, and a grater for grating some of the ingredients here. So let's start the process. First of all, I'm just peeling my cucumber. What I'm showing here is apple vinegar, apple cider. Yeah, so make sure you also have it. And yeah, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you don't miss on such videos. I love being in the kitchen. I love trying new things. I love making and cooking some of the things that we go to the restaurants to have. Yeah, so let's be a family. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video and also to share with your friends. I've cut my cucumber. I used only one. Now I'm going ahead to cut my tomatoes, two of them. The best shape you can give a tomato that you want to use in salad is cubic. Yeah, so you just go ahead and cut them in cubes like I'm doing now. I'm done now with the tomatoes. The next one, you need also a white onion. One, I'm going to use only one. So also this one, I'm going to cut in boxes for a good impression. It looks like everything here. I'm just going to cut in cubes. So all the green, yellow, and red bell peppers also I'm cutting in cubes. You better mark this one because it will give your salad a good, the looks. So here guys, so the next one is avocado. Oh, sorry, not avocado, but eggs. Two eggs that I'm going to use on this one. You have to boil them first. I have boiled them, and also avocado you're also going to use on this salad. Now I'm just gonna extract lemon juice from this lemon. I don't have a juicer, so just how I do it, and also add apple cider vinegar 2 tablespoons. I add also turmeric and oregano leaves. A pinch of salt is also needed, and my garlic, I'm just grating them because I don't have a garlic crusher. Next time maybe I'll afford to have it also. Also, I'm cutting my pepper, my pili pili. So for those who don't take the pili, I'm just going to separate some. Before I separate, I'm just going ahead to add the mixture that I did in the glass. Yeah, so make sure you mix well, and thereafter you separate some in another bowl or a plate. Then I'm just going to add my pili pili in the remaining salad. I will serve my salad with the potato crisps. I love it this way. So I don't know what you'll choose to have your salad with, but I love it with potato crisps. I hope you also try. So guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe also if you haven't. Bye.